Now we multiply 4a minus 3b times 4a plus 3b using the distributive law. And I haven't written the intermediate, well, I don't need to write the intermediate step. Skipping intermediate steps. 4a times 4a is 16a squared. 4a times 3b is plus 12ab. Negative 3b times 4a is negative 12ab. Negative 3b times 3b is negative 9b squared. The 12ab and the negative 12ab add up to 0, leaving us 16a squared minus 9b squared. Using the special product, in the form this time, I'm using x minus y and x plus y, the form that I wrote down here, because I just happen to have used a and b in the original expression, and I don't want to get confused trying to apply a formula with a's and b's in it to an expression with a's and b's in it that appear differently. So using x minus y times x plus y equals x squared minus y squared, we let x be 4a, so that we'll have a 4a here and a 4a here to match the 4a's we have in these two positions, and y equal 3b, so that putting a 3b in here and here matches up this term and this term. Now apply the formula. We have 4a minus 3b times 4a plus 3b. That's going to equal x minus y times x plus y, because we've said that x is 4a and y is 3b. Now, x minus y times x plus y, we know to be x squared minus y squared. We don't have to go to all this trouble. And we can substitute then 4a for x, and we get 4a squared. And for this y, we substitute 3b, getting us 3b quantity squared with a minus sign here. Squaring both these terms, we end up with 16a squared minus 9b squared. Now, the special products that we've talked about here are handy enough if you want to square a binomial or multiply a sum and difference of two quantities. Even more important, though, is being able to recognize when you have an x squared minus a y squared or an a squared minus b squared, or when you have something in form a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, or same thing, x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. If you can recognize those, it makes it easy to factor the term you have. And we'll see that shortly. So you want to think about that a little bit. It's real important to understand these special products. They can save you a lot of time and effort. They're not 100% necessary. You can do a lot of things without them. But by recognizing them, you can work much more efficiently.